how to apply animations to your videos in CapCut. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be discussing about how you can easily apply animations onto your CapCut videos. So let's get started. So first thing, simply open up your CapCut application and make sure you have already selected a particular project. As you can see, I've already have a project in my case, so I'll first simply split the particular video onto which or area for the particular area in which I want to put a animation. So let's say I want to put an animation in this particular section only, which is the highlighted one over here, and I'll simply highlight the particular clip where I want to put an animation, and simply click on the animation option at the bottom of your sliding animation bar. So simply tap on this animation option over here. So once you tap on it, here are a lot of multiple free as well as paid version of animations which you can use from. So you can basically choose any one of these. So once you choose any one of these, just like this, it will take effect right at the beginning. So you can also change the duration of how long you want your animation to be, and simply click on right, that is done, and just like that you have successfully applied animation on your videos in CapCut. So you can do that for multiple clips or multiple parts of the same video as well. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.